Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sherka. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an initiating coverage. Our analyst initiates viewpoint coverage on Hubtown Limited with a positive view and expect a 30% upside given a stark discount to NAV valuation and high value unlocking over the next 3 years. Hubtown has over 3 decades of experience in executing various projects across the realty spectrum. It has historical quality land bank comprising over 30 million square feet project portfolio. Its project portfolio has an overall GDV of over rupees 1 lakh crore with its share of pre-tax operating surplus of rupees 22,000 crore providing high cash flow visibility. Strong launch pipeline is expected to drive over 100% CAGR in sales booking during FY24 to FY27. Expedited project execution is likely to increase its net earnings multifold. Its recent fundraise would more than half the leverage. Next, we cover Shami Hotels. Our analyst maintains positive view on Shami Hotels with an upside potential of 29% over the next 12 months. Shami's quarter 2 numbers were strong with revenue and EBITDA growing by 21% and 37% year on year respectively. EBITDA margins improved 429 bips year on year to 36.4%. Management expects second half to be strong, driven by ARR growth, which will aid in EBITDA margin expansion and strong PAT. High single, low double digit RevPAR growth in second half. Addition of 525 upscale rooms in key market of Hyderabad and Bangalore. And internal growth to increase portfolio to 5,640 rooms in 2 to 3 years. Funding from internal accruals and higher share of variable leased asset to boost returns and provide capital efficient growth. The stock trades at an attractive valuation of 11 times FY25, 10 times FY26, 8 times FY27 EV by EBITDA.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.